Hey guys, Hoju Liam here. I recently had to say goodbye to one of my closest female friends, Lisa, who, well, fortunately is actually going to America for exchange. And basically what you're gonna see is like the last time of us seeing her before she goes overseas. So you're gonna see a few goodbyes and some really great gift ideas if you do have a friend that you're saying farewell to, you're saying goodbye to, and you know is leaving for a while. There's two really great present ideas that you're going to see. One of them being a care package of items that could be used for the trip or to remind the person of Australia and or their country. And also what I did was I made a giant framed image, like a derpy image of my friend. So let's see how it all went. How are you feeling about now that it's actually, so you're going this week?
Like, it hasn't really hit me yet. I'm like, me going?
It's crazy. It doesn't hit you until you're there, I think. Yeah. Me as well, like on the day I left, not really noticing it.
There's like a lot of things to do. Admin stuff you don't think you have to do, but I'm like, I have to call my phone plan, like pause it and...
So did they let you pause it?
My mum. So we're doing lunch tomorrow or now? Okay? Okay, you book. Where else?
Someone's close.
We can do the cheese, mushroom, rice thing you're talking about.
Did I link you that? Okay, I'll link you that. Oh, Mikazuki, yeah, we should do that. I have no preference, I'm fine.
Nice. Pretty chill.
You leave Thursday, right?
Friday morning.
Okay. So your parents are driving me to the airport? What time is the flight?
9:30. My dad wants to leave at 5:30.
Okay. No. Well, kind of. It takes like 90 minutes to get there by 7. You gotta take a shit, so you walk in at 7:30 and you have to go through the checking, and then you're gonna get checked because you're weird and you go to America, so that's another hour.
What's your photography called? You need a name.
So my new channel will be called Hoju Liam. It means Australian Liam. Hoju Liam, if you don't know what it means, it still has some, like, it still sounds interesting. It doesn't really need to have meaning, and then if you're Korean you would know what it means. So it's enough, I think. What the Liam was fucking retarded. I don't know what else to do with that.
It's better. Hoju Liam's better.
Playback Society is too long.
How'd you come up with Playback Society?
It was because I like to watch movies over and over again.
Ah,
so you're probably going to repeat Playback Society.
Yeah.
It's very simple, but...
Hey. So we just call them on this. Are you bugging?
I guess.
That's so extra. It's not even a humble flex.
So what did you come out of 1 million?
No, it was about 70,000. Okay. 45,000.
You don't know how long you went for, do you?
2 hours.
So Hans dad went for 2 hours.
Yeah. I'm with two girls, right?
It's a birthday present mixed with
things
to help you survive.
Oh my god, it's really
Now people are gonna know where you're from.
You gotta use that. That's a nice box.
Wow.
Maybe just put it on the channel. Thank you.
Put it here. A lot of hard work.
What the fuck?
It's a giant printout of your face.
That's massive, man.
You can hang it in your
What
wallet.
the fuck? How did you hide that on the wall?
Oh, it was with her heart.
Yeah, I didn't see.
Oh, it's not one of the collection.
Wait, you guys want to order your soup first? You guys decide
When you're born.
Just say.
It's so big!
Yeah, half. So half is mushroom, spicy. Do you want to do chicken soup? Yeah,
Use your phone actually.
Wow, you thought this is so funny!
Well, this photo has my accent.
What I really like is how big it is.
Wait, so John, you like it big, right?
I like it.
Thanks, Devin. Thanks, Sharon. Thanks, Liam. Oh,
Medium.
it's so funny!
Make sure I've got both Lisas in it. That's pretty important.
Alright, smile.
No, you need a...
Yeah, I need yeah.
Oh my god.
I don't know how to do it. Yo, guys.
Yeah.
Guys.
Ethan.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lisa. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip! Hooray! Hip hip! Hooray! Hip hip! Hooray!
And goodbye, goodbye.
Make a speech. Stand up, stand up.
Thanks for coming. I loved all your gifts as well. So where I am. And thanks for your quality time. Can't go wrong, right? Just I just
That looks right. That looks good.
it looks good, yeah. Thank you.
She's gonna do well in America.
Thank
guys.
you.
Kind of cake. It's all good.